How to make account on PayPal. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can make an account on your PayPal account. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. In order to make an account on PayPal, you can use the app or you can open your browser and go to paypal.com. If you have an account, you can tap the login button. But since you don't, you can tap on sign up for free button that you can see here. Now, you have to enter the email address that is associated with your account. So you can just choose a new email address depending on which one it is that you want to over here. Once you've entered the new email, tap the next button. And it will ask you to choose a phone number. So go ahead and choose a phone number and tap on next. And after you follow the on-screen instructions like typing in your password and so on, you would have successfully went ahead and then made your account on PayPal. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.